Oh gosh, I don't know. I'm gonna. There, not worse. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. This will probably just be a little bit of a segment in a larger video, but wreath, random wreath that I found in my basement, plus truck equals goddamn amazing. So let's make it happen, boys. It's probably gonna rip apart when I start driving, but I don't care. It's gonna look funny. And that's what we're here for. Okay. Oh. I have 4 zip ties. We're gonna start with 2. And if 2 isn't enough, then we'll throw the other 2 on. And I'm thinking we're gonna have to go kind of around this chrome like that on either side. And maybe we can put one on this. Try to get it as on there as we can. So, let's do it. Let's do this thing. And boom. Let's get it. That right there. Perfect thumbnail too. Look at that. Alright, so how I did it is I just kind of wrapped one zip tie around here, as you can see. And I hooked it up to the grill. And then another one right here. As you can see, if I angle it right, boom. And then wrapped a third one, as you can see from the tail, on around this loop where the vent is here. You know, the 2-stage vent. So yeah, there you go. We did that. That's a thing. Sage is just chilling out here with me. Hi, Sage. Hey, buddy. Sweet. Mod done. Easy. Find one in your basement. Do it yourself. Worth it. Okay, so I have a flashlight in my hand. Give me a second. What we are looking for, if we can get this set up in a good position here. Okay, so this one right here. Let me just get, that says horn, right? So that's going to be that 15 amper right there on the bottom. That one right there. So we're going to pull that bad boy out. Whoa. Sorry, I have a flashlight in my mouth right now. Okay. And go on over. Some better light. So I don't have to have a flashlight in my mouth. And results. It is just a little bit hard to see, but if you can see that little dark spot right on in the center, not you know where the pins are that makes the pin connected to the body of it, but that little dark spot right in the center, that means that the fuse is blown. Now, it could just be a blown fuse, you're thinking. No. Because this is the second fuse to blow in a row. So I'm just gonna put that next to that. Yeah, so something's going on. What I should do is, since this is a pretty old truck, there is a possibility that it is not in this fuse panel, is it? No, it should be. I was going to say that there's a possibility that if the airbag fuse is blown, then it's my clock spring. And if it's my clock spring, then I just need to replace my clock spring. But I don't think it is, because I don't have a I actually don't know if there's a clock spring light for this truck, but I know I don't have a airbag light. So, yeah. I think it's just something wrong with the circuit, which is going to be fun because now I have to diagnose the horn, which is somewhere. Oh, there she is. Right on down there. Pretty sure that's the horn, at least. I might be wrong. Oh, hopefully I don't fall off my truck here. Yep. That is the horn down there. If you can see that, probably can't, but yep, I'm gonna have to diagnose that. I don't think this has two horns. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so yeah, I have to figure that out. I'm gonna dig around a little bit, and I will catch you guys back up at here in a minute. So hell yeah, brother. All right, you probably can't see me because it's even darker now, but I'm taking a break from doing the horn stuff because I'm gonna have to take it into the garage to do that because one, it's getting colder and colder by the day, and two, it's already dark out, so I'm either gonna do that tonight or try to figure it out tomorrow. So I'm gonna get you guys a cold start video. Oh, because I have not given you guys one, and it sounds pretty nice. Set you guys, let's say right there. Yeah. Nice and loud down there. Nice and loud. It sounds pretty damn good. Now, just gotta wait for my truck to warm up and I'll be moving.